Have you ever wondered what lurks in the deepest, darkest parts of our planet?
A new record has been set for the deepest fish ever recorded.
Actual footage from the Mariana Trench has revealed creatures and phenomena so bizarre they seem almost otherworldly.
This team has been studying the deepest fish in the world.
From massive otherworldly shrimp with metallic armor to mysterious glowing life forms that drift like ghosts in the abyss, what they captured in the Mariana Trench is truly insane.
Unbelievable. Creatures spotted in the Mariana Trench. Scientists shocked.
But what if there's more? What if the world's deepest ocean is hiding secrets we were never meant to see? Even Tucker Carlson has questioned the true nature of these discoveries. In this video, we'll dive deep and explain everything. The deepest dive yet. A new expedition has sent the most advanced remotely operated vehicles and submersibles into the Mariana Trench, pushing deeper than any previous mission. Scientists expected to document rare deep-sea creatures and geological formations, but what they captured in the Mariana Trench was far beyond anything they anticipated. The mission, led by a coalition of oceanographic institutions, deployed highly sophisticated technology, including ultra-high-definition cameras, sonar mapping systems, and pressure-resistant instruments. As the ROVs descended past 30,000 feet, they recorded actual footage of familiar deep-sea species like amphipods, ghostly snailfish, and bioluminescent organisms adapted to the extreme conditions. However, at approximately 35,700 feet, something unexpected appeared in the footage. A structure, seemingly metallic, was briefly visible before an abrupt signal interference cut the feed. Efforts to restore the video stream were unsuccessful, raising immediate concerns among the crew. Data logs showed that, moments before the blackout, the submersible's instruments detected an unidentified moving object. Researchers reviewing the footage were left stunned. While some insisted it was a yet undocumented species, others suggested a more unsettling possibility, an anomaly unlike anything previously recorded in the trench. Tucker Carlson has publicly questioned the real purpose of these deep-sea missions. He claims that what they captured in the Mariana Trench is insane, and argues that these expeditions are not just scientific ventures, but classified operations meant to investigate something already known to the world's most powerful governments. According to Carlson, the level of secrecy and restricted access to these depths hints at a much larger mystery. He speculates that officials may be searching for remnants of lost technology, evidence of unknown life forms, or even hidden installations. Adding to the controversy, previous expeditions have reported similar unexplained occurrences. In 2012, during James Cameron's historic dive, anomalies in sonar readings were dismissed as equipment malfunctions. Decades earlier, in 1960, Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh described strange underwater shadows that could not be explained. With each new mission, the question grows louder. What really lies at the bottom of the Mariana Trench? Scientists involved in the latest mission are working to recover corrupted data and analyze what little footage remains. While official reports suggest there is nothing extraordinary, leaked clips circulating online hint at something far more mysterious. As the world waits for answers, scientists exploring the Mariana Trench have documented life forms unlike anything seen before. Creatures beyond belief. Footage from deep-sea missions reveals species that defy expectations, thriving under conditions once thought uninhabitable. Among them is the Dumbo octopus, named for its ear-like fins resembling the Disney character. Unlike other octopuses, it lacks an ink sac, as predators are rare in the crushing depths it calls home. Typically measuring between 18 to 30 centimeters, one recorded individual stunned researchers with its enormous size, 1.8 meters across. Another remarkable species, the Mariana snailfish, is the deepest living vertebrate ever recorded. Found more than 8,000 meters below the surface, it has adapted to withstand extreme pressure that would crush most life forms. Its gelatinous body structure allows it to survive where bones would fail, proving life's resilience in the abyss. However, not all discoveries fit within the known boundaries of marine biology. Some creatures appear eerily oversized compared to their shallow water counterparts, raising questions about the role of deep-sea gigantism. This rare footage captured by remotely operated vehicles has revealed massive, unidentified predators lurking in the darkness. Some resemble deep-sea species, but their exaggerated size and unusual movements make them unlike anything previously recorded. These colossal creatures, moving with an eerie grace, leave researchers wondering if the trench holds an undiscovered ecosystem of supersized predators. The Mariana Trench acts as a reservoir of biodiversity, home to organisms that have evolved extraordinary adaptations to survive in near-freezing temperatures, crushing pressure, and total darkness. Many species rely on bioluminescence, producing their own light to navigate or lure prey. Amphipods, crustaceans capable of surviving in the deep, have been found carrying traces of pollutants, raising concerns about human impact even in Earth's most remote locations. Exploring these depths presents extreme challenges. The crushing pressure, lack of natural light, and inaccessibility make direct human exploration nearly impossible. Advanced technologies, including deep-sea submersibles and high-definition cameras mounted on ROVs, provide rare glimpses into this hidden world. These tools have allowed scientists to uncover not just new species, but entirely new ecosystems that challenge our understanding of marine life. While scientific missions aim to catalog and study these organisms, others speculate there's more to the discoveries than meets the eye. With some creatures appearing almost alien in nature, theories arise about whether deep-sea trenches hide unknown evolutionary branches, or even something beyond earthly biology. Whatever the truth, one thing is clear: whatever they are finding under the deep sea is truly remarkable. The Supergiant Shrimp Mystery. There was an expedition into the Mariana Trench in 2019 that led to an astonishing discovery: shrimp-like crustaceans displaying an adaptation never before seen in marine life. These deep-sea amphipods, later dubbed supergiant amphipods, were found to be incorporating aluminum into their exoskeletons rather than relying solely on calcium like other crustaceans. This unexpected biological trait immediately raised questions about how life adapts to extreme environments and high pressure, as well as what might be seeping into the trench from above. Unlike typical crustaceans that build their shells with calcium carbonate, these creatures appear to extract aluminum from sediments on the seafloor, chemically modifying it into a protective metallic layer. This groundbreaking adaptation challenges previous assumptions about biomineralization, the process by which organisms form mineral-based structures. Scientists speculate this adaptation might help the amphipods withstand the immense pressures of the Hadal Zone while offering protection from unseen environmental threats. However, it also raises concerns about human influence, as some researchers suspect pollutants or unknown contaminants may be altering deep-sea life at a genetic level. Beyond the supergiant amphipod, the same expedition documented several new species, expanding our knowledge of life in the deepest part of the ocean. One of the most notable discoveries was a previously unknown species of strange fish, recorded at a staggering depth of 8,140 meters. With its translucent body, wing-like fins, and eel-like tail, this strange creature was filmed gliding effortlessly across the seafloor. Scientists were stunned that such a fragile-looking species could survive in conditions of complete darkness, extreme cold, and bone-crushing pressure. While the fish lacks the tough armor of many deep-sea species, its gelatinous body may help it endure the immense forces pressing down from above. Many doctors and scientists leading marine research during the expedition highlighted the significance of these discoveries. When records like these are broken multiple times in a single trip, it truly feels like we're at the frontier of marine science. Each new finding not only expands our understanding of deep-sea ecosystems, but also provides valuable insight into carbon cycling, marine adaptation, and the long-term impacts of human activity on Earth's most remote environments. Researchers continue to analyze the data, hoping to uncover clues about how these creatures evolved such specialized survival strategies in the crushing depths of the trench. The supergiant amphipod's discovery is evidence of how little we know about life in the deep part of the Earth. If an organism can extract and manipulate metals to reinforce its body, what else might be lurking in the Hadal Zone with abilities beyond our expectations? Could there be other species with even more extreme adaptations waiting to be found? As technology advances and future expeditions push deeper, scientists hope to uncover even more secrets hidden within the Mariana Trench. If life can thrive under such unimaginable conditions here, what other astonishing adaptations might exist in the uncharted depths of our planet and beyond? Gigantic single-celled organisms. Scientists exploring the Mariana Trench also uncovered a biological anomaly that challenges conventional understanding: a gigantic single-celled organism thriving in the ocean's most extreme depths. These sponge-like entities, known as xenophyophores, were recorded at an astonishing depth of 16.6 miles, using specialized deep-sea drop cams. Unlike the microscopic cells making up most life forms, these organisms can grow to the size of a mango, measuring around 10 centimeters across, making them some of the largest known single-celled life forms on Earth, which are living in the most unexpected place. What makes xenophyophores so remarkable is their ability to survive in one of the harshest environments imaginable. The crushing pressures of the trench, which would obliterate most life, seem to have no effect on them. Temperatures hover just above freezing, and sunlight never penetrates the abyss. Yet these fragile-looking organisms not only endure, but thrive. Their porous, web-like structures allow them to filter organic material from surrounding sediments, though their full biological processes remain poorly understood. Studying them is difficult, as even minor disturbances can cause them to disintegrate, making detailed observations a major challenge. Beyond their unique survival mechanisms, the discovery of such massive single-celled organisms raises profound questions about life's adaptability, not just on Earth, but potentially on other planets. If these organisms can thrive in the crushing depths of the ocean, where energy sources are limited, could similar life exist in the deep, high-pressure oceans of alien worlds? Some astrobiologists propose that instead of complex, multicellular creatures, extraterrestrial life might take the form of massive, single-celled entities similar to xenophyophores. Icy moons like Jupiter's Europa or Saturn's Enceladus, both believed to have vast subsurface oceans, could host life forms that resemble these deep-sea survivors. Despite decades of oceanic research, the Mariana Trench remains one of the least explored places on Earth. Until recently, fewer than 10 people had ever descended to its deepest point, far fewer than the number of astronauts who have traveled into space. The difficulties of reaching the Hadal Zone, with its immense pressures and inaccessibility, have long restricted scientific discovery. However, modern advances in submersible technology, including autonomous underwater vehicles, also called AUVs and remotely operated vehicles, are allowing researchers to explore these depths with unprecedented accuracy. Each new mission uncovers life forms that challenge what we know about biology and evolution. The discovery of xenophyophores is just one of many signs that Earth's deep oceans hold secrets yet to be unraveled. If life can survive in such extreme conditions here, what else might exist in the vast, uncharted depths of the universe? A jellyfish from another world. A research expedition to the Mariana Trench captured footage of a glowing jellyfish unlike anything seen before. Filmed in 2016 during a NOAA mission to the Enigma Seamount, this eerie creature appeared to float motionlessly in the darkness before suddenly pulsing forward with precise, almost mechanical movements. Unlike typical jellyfish, which drift aimlessly with ocean currents, this specimen remained suspended in the water, its long, wispy tentacles extended in an unnatural stillness. It was as if it was waiting for something. The jellyfish, later classified under the genus Crossota, was found at a staggering depth of 3,700 meters. Its translucent, bioluminescent body pulsed with an otherworldly glow, illuminating the surrounding blackness. Scientists believe this species may be an ambush predator, relying on its stillness to lure prey before striking in quick, calculated bursts. Its two sets of tentacles, one long and one short, which spread out symmetrically, an unusual structure that suggested a hunting technique unlike anything documented before. The research vessel Okeanos Explorer recorded its eerie presence as it hovered in the abyss, seemingly defying the chaotic nature of deep-sea life. When it moved, it did so with an unnerving level of control. Its bell-like body, rather than pulsing rhythmically like most jellyfish, remained eerily rigid. This strange behavior left marine biologists both fascinated and perplexed. Could the behavior be an adaptation for conserving energy in such extreme depths? Or was this species employing a hunting strategy yet to be understood? But while the scientific community sought answers, others were quick to propose more outlandish theories. Some speculated that the jellyfish's precise movements and unnatural stillness suggested something beyond mere biology. Could it be a deep-sea organism with intelligence? Some even proposed the possibility of an unknown life form, evolved separately in the crushing blackness of the trench. The eerie footage fueled online debates, with conspiracy theorists suggesting it was evidence of something far stranger than an undiscovered species. While the more sensational claims remain unproven, the discovery of this jellyfish highlights just how little we understand about life in the Mariana Trench. This region, the deepest part of Earth's ocean, is a world of creatures that seem to challenge the limits of biology. The glowing, ghostly jellyfish, was just one of many mysteries lurking in these depths. An unsettling reminder that the ocean still holds secrets we are only beginning to uncover. The floating sea cucumber. A routine deep-sea expedition in 2016 led to another astonishing discovery: an otherworldly sea cucumber that never touched the ocean floor. Filmed drifting strangely through the water column of the Mariana Trench, this glowing violet-hued echinoderm moved with an effortless grace, defying everything scientists thought they knew about its kind. Unlike most sea cucumbers, which crawl along the seabed filtering sediment for nutrients, this species appeared to have abandoned the ocean floor entirely. Captured by researchers during a 2-month-long mission, the footage showed the sea cucumber suspended in the pitch-black abyss, gently undulating as if it were swimming rather than sinking. Typically, sea cucumbers rely on tube-like feet to crawl along the seafloor, consuming organic matter in the sediment. But this species had seemingly evolved a different approach, floating permanently above the seabed. Its body shimmered with bioluminescent tones, pulsing faintly as it drifted, an eerie presence in the dark. The discovery raised countless questions. Why would a sea cucumber evolve to avoid the seafloor, a place where its kind had thrived for millions of years? Some marine biologists suggested it could be an adaptation to avoid predators.
At night time, where they go out hunting for plankton, the little creatures that live in the water column, and then during the day they need to find somewhere to
or to feed on nutrient-rich particles suspended in the water. Others speculated that it might be reacting to something far deeper within the trench, perhaps avoiding a toxic or unstable seafloor environment. Sea cucumbers are ancient survivors of the deep, with over 1,200 species known to exist in saltwater environments worldwide. Some species can grow over 6 feet long, while others are no larger than a thumb. Despite lacking a brain, they exhibit remarkable defense mechanisms, from ejecting sticky threads to ensnaring predators to literally expelling their own internal organs, only to regenerate them later. But this floating species seemed to be an anomaly among its relatives, living an existence entirely untethered from the seabed. The footage of the violet sea cucumber quickly spread among marine researchers and deep-sea enthusiasts, sparking debates about its evolution and purpose. Was it simply a rare variation of an existing species, or was this an entirely new form of deep-sea life, one that had evolved in isolation within the unfathomable depths of the trench? For now, its secret remains locked within the abyss. However, one certainty remains. The Mariana Trench persistently reveals creatures that defy logic, transforming our understanding of life in the deepest regions of our planet. Could there be even stranger organisms lurking in the darkness, waiting to be discovered? What's beneath the ocean floor? Seismic scans of the Mariana Trench have uncovered something unexpected, an impenetrable structure buried beneath the ocean floor. Unlike anything scientists anticipated, these formations, detected through seismic wave studies, suggest that hidden caverns or unknown geological features may be concealed deep within the trench. Some researchers speculate that these could house entire ecosystems never before encountered, while others entertain a more controversial idea: artificial structures buried beyond our reach. The discovery stems from a revolutionary technique called full waveform inversion, which allows scientists to generate highly detailed images of Earth's interior. Unlike previous seismic mapping methods, FWI captures subtle variations in how earthquake-generated waves move through different materials. Using this approach, researchers found anomalies beneath the Pacific Ocean, some as deep as 1,200 kilometers into the mantle, far deeper than expected for subducted tectonic plates. These mysterious structures defy conventional theories about how Earth's interior is layered, raising new questions about what truly lies beneath. What makes this discovery so perplexing is the location. Traditionally, deep-sea geological structures align with subduction zones, where tectonic plates are forced downward into the mantle. But in the Mariana Trench, there are anomalies where no subduction of that kind should be taking place. The irregular seismic patterns suggest that something massive and previously undetected is lurking far below the seabed. Some experts believe these structures could be remnants of an ancient, silica-rich mantle, while others propose they might be iron-rich accumulations, shaped by billions of years of geological activity. But without direct exploration, their true nature remains a mystery. The discovery has fueled speculation in both scientific and fringe circles. Some oceanographers believe these formations could be vast, interconnected caverns filled with unique life forms that have remained undisturbed for eons. Others propose that these anomalies might be artificially created, a theory that has drawn attention from figures like Tucker Carlson, who has suggested that government agencies may have already sent classified probes to investigate beyond publicly known limits. While no direct evidence supports these claims, the secrecy surrounding deep-sea exploration has only added to the conspiracy. What if the answer to some of Earth's biggest mysteries isn't in outer space but buried beneath our oceans? Despite recent advancements in technology, the deepest parts of our planet remain largely unexplored, holding secrets that could reshape our understanding of Earth's past or even challenge what we think we know about the presence of intelligence beyond our own. As research continues, one thing is certain: the Mariana Trench has not yet revealed all of its secrets, and what lies beneath may be stranger than we ever imagined. What they don't want you to see. For decades, deep-sea exploration has been limited by technology, but even with modern advancements, certain discoveries remain off-limits to the public. Some of the most intriguing footage captured in the Mariana Trench has been classified, fueling speculation about what governments don't want people to see. Leaked data and anonymous reports hint at anomalies far beyond known marine biology, raising unsettling questions about what lurks in the abyss. One of the biggest mysteries surrounding the trench is the presence of unexplained sonar contacts, moving objects detected at extreme depths that don't match any known species. Unlike ordinary deep-sea creatures, these anomalies appear to move with purpose, defying expected biological patterns. Military sonar logs and scientific research vessels have reported similar encounters, yet official explanations remain vague or non-existent. Could these be undiscovered life forms? Or is something more unnatural hiding beneath the ocean floor? Beyond biological mysteries, seismic readings from the Western Pacific have uncovered strange geological anomalies deep beneath the seabed. Scientists analyzing earthquake data found distorted wave patterns in areas where no known subduction zones exist. These findings suggest the presence of vast, unexplored structures, possibly remnants of ancient geological activity, or something even more enigmatic. While some experts argue these anomalies could be natural formations, others suspect artificial origins, hinting at the possibility of hidden technology or even unknown civilizations lost to time. The Mariana Trench is also home to some of the most extreme conditions on Earth, with crushing pressures and perpetual darkness. Yet, despite these inhospitable conditions, life persists. Giant amoebas, bioluminescent creatures, and strange deep-sea predators thrive in the depths, adapted to an environment humans can barely comprehend. If nature has already produced such bizarre life forms, could even more extraordinary creatures remain undiscovered? Some researchers believe entire ecosystems could exist beyond our current reach, potentially rewriting what we know about deep-sea biology. Tucker Carlson, who can always be a vocal critic of government secrecy, has speculated many times that classified expeditions may have already uncovered evidence that the Mariana Trench is home to an intelligence beyond our understanding. Whether this information refers to an advanced biological species or something even more otherworldly remains open for debate. Some believe secret deep-sea probes have captured compelling footage, only for the findings to be withheld from the public. If true, what would be so shocking that it needs to be hidden? The Mariana Trench remains one of Earth's last frontiers, a place where science and mystery collide. With so much left unexplored, one question lingers. If these anomalies exist, why aren't we being told the full story? What do you think is really hidden in the depths? Let us know in the comments, like the video, and subscribe for more interesting videos. Until next time.